If you cannot solve the login problem of Duolingo and it shows error every time you try to log into your Duolingo application, here is the fix. First and foremost, just to be on safe side, let's go ahead and update our Duolingo app. Head over to your Play Store or App Store. At the top search bar, type in Duolingo. Make sure that you see open here instead of update. If you see update, tap on update and update your app. Now for the next step, head over to your settings. At the section, scroll all the way below and tap on apps. Here you have to search for Duolingo. Tap onto your app and then tap storage and simply clear the cache. And now restart your device, launch your Duolingo application, try again logging into your account. And if you're still not being able to do so, you can try it again after a couple hours, or here is an alternative way. You can go ahead, launch any of your preferred web application, and at the top search bar, type in Duolingo login. Tap onto it, and you can get logged into your Duolingo account, sign in via web browser, and then access Duolingo from here. If you can easily access your account via a web browser but cannot log in via a application, you need to uninstall this and reinstall again. This shall fix your problem. Thank you all for watching. We will catch you up in our next upload.